Good morning, students. We are doing respiration in organism. This is part 2, and in this part we will learn about activities, 2 activities and checkpoint. Okay? So let's start. This is first activity. To prove that glucose is required for respiration and carbon dioxide is released during the process. Means glucose is essential for respiration, and in this reaction carbon dioxide is released, means emitted, means exhaled. Material required: 3 narrow mouthed bottles, means narrow mouth wala 3 bottles. Yeast powder, sugar, a few marker, balloons and tablespoon, and a trough full of lime water. Trough means एक कोई ऐसा बर्तन ले लो, कोई ऐसा जिसमें पूरा वाटर फिल्ड हो, लाइम वाटर. Trough means equipment or any utensil or any bottle or anything. Now come to procedure. Add equal amount of warm water to each of the 3 bottles and name it A, B, C. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar in bottle A, 2 tablespoon of sugar in bottle B, and nothing in bottle C. यानी bottle C में कुछ नहीं डालना है, only warm water, and mix them well. ठीक है? Bottle A we put 1 spoon of sugar. In bottle B we put 2 spoon of sugar. Now add 1.5 to 2 tablespoon of yeast in each bottle. Means A, B, C, all 3, and fix the fix each 1 balloon on each of the mouth and wait overnight. Okay? What happens? Observation: A, balloon inflates slightly. B, balloon inflates more larger than A. And C, nothing happens. Okay? A, slightly inflated. B, more inflated. C, no inflated. C में कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Next morning, very carefully extract the balloon from A and B. क्योंकि C में तो कुछ हुआ नहीं. Making sure that gas does not escape from the inside. उसको balloon को ऐसे निकालना है कि उसमें का थोड़ा सा भी जो गैस है वो does not escape. Hold the mouth of the balloon securely between your forefinger and the thumb. अच्छे से पकड़ के रखो, दबा के रखो. Now hold the balloons in the lime water trough. और उस ट्रो में, उस बर्तन में आपको लाना है, वहाँ पे जाके इन सच ए वे आपको उसको ऐसा करना है कि माउथ रिमेन्स सिक्योरली अंडर द लिक्विड. लेट्स गैस आउट बाय जेंटली रिमूविंग योर फिंगर्स फ्रॉम द माउथ ऑफ द बलून. उसके बाद अपना हाथ हटा लो. ओके? व्हाट हैपेंस? व्हाट विल you observe now? The lime water turns milky in the A and B trough. This shows that gas produced in A and B, that is carbon dioxide, because it turns lime water milky. Lime water has a property that it turns into milky when added to carbon dioxide. जब उसमें carbon dioxide add करते हैं, it changes into white, milky. The balloon in bottle C show no change, indicating there is no gas was formed in the absence of sugar. We have put to all 3 yeast, but did not put sugar in the trough C. So, no gas was formed in the absence of sugar. A and B balloons are inflated, a fact that proves that some gas has been produced. Either little or more, but some carbon dioxide has produced in A and B, but no reaction occurred in C. B makes bigger balloon, indicating fermentation is more vigorous if the amount of sugar is increased in the solution. हमने B में 2 चम्मच डाला था. That's why it increased in size. It means fermentation is more vigorous if the amount of sugar is increased in the solution. The gas in the balloon turns lime water milky because it is carbon dioxide. It proves that the emitted gas is carbon dioxide produced by yeast during fermentation. Hope you understood and try to understand. If any problem, you can ask me in the class. Next activity. To prove that we give out carbon dioxide during respiration. One thing you have learned, that lime water turns milky when it is mixed with or added carbon dioxide. जब carbon dioxide add होता है, it turns into milky white. This is the property of a lime water. Calcium hydroxide is called lime water. Material required: lime water, 2 beakers, pipette and pipette pump. You can do it without pipette also. Put lime water in 2 beaker. Take 2 beaker and put some lime waters in each of the beaker. In one beaker, pump air, just an air for a minute using pipette. Pipette is a narrow tube. And note down your observation. In the other beaker, introduce exhaled air. अपना मुंह से आपको पिपेट के अंदर फूकना है for a minute and note the observation. You will see that lime water turns milky in that beaker where exhaled air was introduced. जहाँ पे हम अपने मुंह से फूके थे, that beaker turns milky. That lime water turns milky because we exhaled carbon dioxide, which dissolve in water and forms carbonic acid. It reacts with lime water to form a white precipitation, you can call it, called calcium carbonate. The milky precipitation is actually calcium carbonate and water. So it looks milky white. Now checkpoints. Respiration can never happen in absence of oxygen. True or false? Respiration can never happen in absence of oxygen. It's false. Living organism will not survive without respiration. Yes, it's true. Living organism cannot survive without respiration. Aerobic respiration generate more energy than anaerobic respiration होगा. Anaerobic respiration, yes, it is true. यहाँ पे just correct it. Anaerobic respiration. Yeast produces lactic acid due to fermentation. Yes, it is true. Sorry, I think this is wrong. Yeast produces ethyl alcohol due to fermentation. So it is false. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. And any problem you can ask me.